What's up everyone? I hope you guys are all doing good and welcome back to Boske's FX Forex group. We really appreciate it guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss out our new concept when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about the forex strategy that works every time using a small risk and get a big ratio reward in return. So I'm gonna show you the strategy and backtest it with you guys. And also, to those who are new here guys, we talk about smart money concept, ICT concept, and order block strategies. If you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, welcome to the family. Without wasting your time guys, as you can see here on our chart, we have US30 and this is our daily time frame. And as you can see guys, the market was on a downtrend, right? As you can see, we had this break of structure. So sometimes when price give you a break of structure, you guys, you do not know where the price will return. You don't know they will return after breaking the structure here and then return, or they'll just continue going down and then return. So what you have to understand is something like this guys. Whenever price give you, right, a break of structure, something like this, right, for the market to return here, they have to respect some demand zone on our what? On our left side. So once they reach the demand zone, you go to 15 minutes, because that's where you find your change of what? Of character, something like this, right? And then the price will come up to the what? To the supply. But if they doesn't respect the supply and break it, now you understand that the price will come back with compression to this OB right there, then continue going up as a continuous trend. So what you have to do is to check before you take any trades. Check to your left side, is there a demand, right? Demand where the price decided to turn. So that's where the price will come and turn again around this zone. So as you can see here guys, right, we had this break of structure right there, you can see, and we also had this demand zone area around this zone area. As you can see, same thing which happened here, break of structure, there was a demand on our left side, this demand zone area, as you can see. So it's about you understanding that, is there a demand on your left side, and then if you like, you can use the premium and discount, and now you'll be focusing on the premium zone area, not the discount where the liquidity is being laid on. So you'll be focusing on demand. Same thing which happened here, you can use premium and discount, as you can see, premium and discount. Now we'll be focusing on this premium zone area. All right, so once the price goes into the demand, go back to smaller time frame. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this part here, right, then go in smaller time frame, right, something like this. As you can see here guys, with this break of structure here, as you can see. So let's see what price will give us. Let's put more speed so that it will go okay. Right, now the price is into our demand zone area. Let's swing it to this zone area. So whenever price went in or go in into our demand zone area, they give us a what? A base area. As you can see here, we had what? We had this rejection candlestick. Those are the base areas, right? So you mark the last high of the candlestick and you mark the last low That's where you get your break-off structure. This is a break-off structure right here, guys. As you can see, break-off structure. And this will be your change of what? Change of character. Change of character. Let me just make it straight. Okay, break-off structure and then change of character. So what happens is something like this. When you see break-off structure, the next thing which you like to see is a change of character, right? So now, as you can see, let me just slow down the speed. Okay, so now as you can see, now we had this break-off structure and change of character, and price give us a change of character. Now your main reason or the main focus zone which you'll be focusing on is this last candlestick, the last candlestick in 15 minutes. As you can see, yeah, right here where this demand zone area. If you like, you can use premium and discount, right? Something like this, and you'll be focusing on this premium zone area right there, and you measure your pips. If you use buy limits, you enter there, and your SL will be below this previous swing low here, right? And then your take profit is always, guys, you use the nearest supply zone area, meaning this is our nearest supply zone area. We don't know if price will break it or they will respect it, right? But this supply is under, so they will not respect it. So now let's wait and see what will price will give us, right? Let's wait and see what price will give us. As you can see, now price is going up, right? Price is going up, and now our take profit was going to be smashed. As you can see here, guys, now we are on a continuous trend, meaning the price will be coming to respect those supply zones which they have taken out, being our what? Our demand zone. And as you can see here, guys, as you can see, here was our supply, and this was the first rejection candlestick, meaning there was a what? There was a hidden base around that zone area. So we measure this little candlestick right there, do something like this. If you like, you can use premium and discount, right, to minimize your risk, as you can see, and you use this premium zone area. The discount, you don't care about it because that's where the liquidity is being laid on. So once you find something like that, you measure your your pips, your risk, meaning you're now focusing on ratio reward. So now, as you can see, now our supply zone which we will be focusing on is this one right there. As you can see, we had a drop, base, drop. So let's see if price will break it or they'll respect it, right? Right, and now the price is giving us those compression where the retail traders will be buying and selling at the same time. As you can see, now they're approaching our entry point. Now they are in, and as you can see, now we'll be in profit, playing at our entry point. As you can see, going up now, right? And as you can see now, guys, we had that break of structure. As you can see, the supply was being taken out, and we had this opposite candlestick around this zone area. Let's just remove this. We had this demand zone because that's where the last opposite candlestick was at. So what you do, you measure the high of the candlestick and the low, something like this, to find your premium zone so that your risk will be a little and the ratio reward will be huge. So what you have to do now is to find another targeted supply. As you can see, we have this targeted supply here. So what we'll be doing, do something like this. We calculate our pips, right? Calculate our pips, something like this. Use this law, because this one was being, it's now about being taken out, so the supply will be focusing on it's this one. So as you can see, we do something like this, then let's play and see what the price will give us. As you can see, the price was going to activate our entry. Let's see. Now the price was going to pick our orders right there. So this was going to be our take profit around that zone area, right? Let's see. But the shift from the market was not good. Why? Because this was something like a compression, which is not good. So the price will be going up and coming back because they'll be taking out the liquidity, right? They'll be taking out the liquidity. So even now, we're going to move your SL to break even, because this was not even a good trade though. It was not even a good trade, but it went up, and as you can see, they reached our take profit zone. So now let's see. Okay, now the price came back and take out the structure, meaning, let's delete this, meaning the last higher low was being taken out around the zone area. As you can see, it was being taken out. So once price take out the structure, meaning this is a break of what? Break of structure. So once price take out the previous swing low, creating a new lower low, we now understand that the price is going up. So what we would like to see here, we like to see a change of character, and then price go to the supply zone and then shift the market going down. As you can see here, that's where our first break of structure was at. So we expect the price to come and pick the orders at this supply, then they'll shift the market going down. And now what we like to see is a change of character. As you can see here, guys, we have this base area being created. Let's see if price will break it. As you can see, now we have a break of what? A break of structure right there. So this was going to be what? A change of character. So let's play and see. As you can see now, the price have taken out the structure, meaning we had a change of character. So you mark the last candlestick, as you can see, in 15 minutes. This is where our last candlestick was at. As you can see, something like this. And then you do something like this. You mark the candlestick high and the low to minimize your risk. And then you shift it something like this. You'll be focusing on your premium zone now. So once you'll be focusing on your premium zone, here is going to be your entry, your SL around this zone, and your targeted supply will be this one. And you know that the price will go and break it, so use the last high of that targeted supply. So now let's see how the price will react. As you can see, our entry was going to be activated right there. As you can see, now price starting to go up. As you can see, price came back to our entry, then shifted the market from that zone going up. As you can see, something like a second leg, but it will be a compression. Why? Because the price is going up to our what? To our targeted supply. So if you are going to use this take profit zone, the last supply, you take profit was going to be smashed, right? So now your main focusing is on this supply zone area. This supply zone area. As you can see, let's delete this so that will not be confused. As you can see, guys, that's where our supply zone area was at, and if your risk is good for you, you're going to enter there. Then this will be your targeted what? Targeted low, and you use this last high as your what? Is your SL. But if you like, you can use the premium and discount, something like this, and then you'll be focusing on this zone area to minimize what? The risk, meaning the price didn't go in to our what? To our premium zone area. It's around that zone area up there. So let's see what the price will give us. As you can see now, price is just ranging, right? Price is just ranging. Let's see. Now, our SL was going to be smashed. Our SL was going to be smashed. As you can see, price went above and break the structure. But what I want you guys to understand is that whenever price break the structure, right? Whenever price break the structure, as you can see here, break off structure, right? So this is our what? Our higher low, where we expect the price to come and pick the orders. But this higher low was also being taken out, meaning this is a change of what? Change of character. Change of character. So change of character, and this will be your break of what? Break of structure. Break of structure. So it's you now looking for shorts. Why? Because the price have taken out the structure but fails to pick the orders at the last what? Swing low, and then they come back and break it, creating a new lower low. So what we'll be expecting, the price to come back to this supply zone area. That's where the orders are being held. So as you can see, you can use the last candlestick. You see the last candlestick, something like this. Then you calculate your pips, right? And this will be your targeted what? Targeted low around this one area. So now let's see what price will give us there. As you can see, price coming back, going into our entry, we're picking our orders. Now the price is going down. As you can see, okay, price start to go down, and now guys, as you can see, we have this break of structure right there, right? This break of structure. So the last candlestick is this one. As you can see, you can use the premium zone area, right? The premium zone area, something like this, and delete this, something like this, and here is going to be your second entry because the price have taken out the structure. So let's see what the price will give us. Right, let's see what the price will give us. Just came back. As you can see, let's pause a little bit. As you can see here, guys, as you can see, our entry was going to be activated if you were going to use your what? Your sell limits, and this was going to be another good successful trade right there. as you can see, price is now going down. So this will be always your take profit zone. The last low, as you can see, this last low, because now the price is going back to that major supply, which was the first taking out the structure, meaning let's pause, meaning this it's our demand zone area. As you can see, this was the first base rally, meaning this is our base area around this zone area. So that's where our demand zone area is at. So here is our main structure, which we are looking forward to see if the price will come and break it, right? As you can see, if price comes and break it, we also have that break of structure here as well with this one, meaning this was created after the break of structure. So what you'll be doing now, you'll be focusing on this supply zone area. You see this base area around this zone area here. You see something like this. You measure your pips, put your sell limits SL above, and then you use this previous low as your take profit, right? Something like this. Let's now see what the price will give us in return. As you can see, price fails to come back. Let's see. Now they are coming back. Remember, as I said, this was created after, so it will be a liquidity whenever price is coming back to the to this major OB right there. It will be a liquidity. That's where the most retail traders are being trapped. So you don't focus on taking trades around that zone area. As you can see, price is now going down. Your take profit was going to be smashed, as you can see, guys. And now, as you can see, we also had this break of structure right there, right? That's the main one. And as you can see, we have this base area around this zone area right there. As you can see, let's now see if price will come. This will be your entry SL. You see something like this, then your targeted low. Let's see if price will come. And also price is about to approach our demand zone area. They failed to come, they just respected that one. Okay, now we have demand zone area. As you can see here, price went into our demand. We had this break of structure here, so we'll be waiting for change of character. Right, a change of character. Let's see what the price will give us. Now the price have taken out the structure, as you can see. Yeah, now they have taken out the structure. Now guys, as you can see, this was also the base rally, meaning this base area was responsible for breaking this structure because it's the last opposite candlestick. That's what you have to understand, the last opposite candlestick. And what you do, you mark your demand zone, something like this, guys, something like this. Then if you like, you can use premium and discount, right, to minimize your risk always. And then this is your premium zone. You delete the premium and discount, and you put your buy limits around the zone area SL here, and your targeted supply, it will be this one, because that's where the price decided to turn, right? Also, you can use even this one, the one which we wanted to use, this one as your targeted what? Supply zone area, right there, right? Let's play and see. Now even price coming back with the compression, as you can see. They went up, they missed our entry. Let's see price coming back. They went up, but they missed our entry. But let's see price is coming back. And now your entry was going to be activated, meaning this was the liquidity zone area, around this zone area, and the price just came and take it low, as you can see, but they're still going way up. They are still going way up. So now let's see if price will respect this demand. As you can see, they are going up. You can even use this high, because that's a new high which was created, right? As you can see, our take profit was going to be smashed. Now, as you can see, guys, what I want you guys to understand, it's you now following your rules. As you can see, where this first lower high being taken out around this zone area, and now, as you can see, this was the first breakout structure as well. The price continued going up right there, as you can see. Even if you go to H1 time frame now, as you can see, in H1 time frame, this was the first OB right there. So me, I'll be focusing on this. As you can see, it was the first rally, base rally, meaning this is a clean major base area. That's where my bias will be at, as you can see. Of looking for longs, I use my premium and discount, right, to look for proper entries, something like this, and then you wait for the price to come and pick your orders, right? USL, below this zone, targeted high, this one. Let's see what the price will give us. As you can see, price coming back. Oh, price came back, but they failed to come into our entry zone area. As you can see, they just came and filled this fair value gap right here. As you can see, here, there was a gap which was being filled, and now let's see what the price would do. Okay, so this is where the price closed at. So what I would like to see is that the price will react on this demand. They'll respect it or they'll break it, but I'll be looking forward for longs next week. So this will be my high, my targeted high, and here is my entry point around this zone area, my SL below. So I hope this video will help you to understand how to use premium and discount, and also how to minimize your risk and get big ratio reward in return. Thank you for watching, and share our video with your family and friends, and also go and check out our Telegram. Have a blessed day, guys.